10 Best Side Hustles for 2026. Smart ways to earn extra income. The cost of living keeps rising, but so do the opportunities to earn on your own terms. More professionals are discovering that a side hustle doesn't just bring in extra income, it builds new skills, confidence, and freedom. If you're planning for 2026, here are 10 realistic side hustles to explore, whether you are looking to make an extra $500 a month or start something that could eventually replace your 9-to-5. This is NorbyPole TV. Please subscribe for more video like this. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing your professional skills. Turn what you already know into income. Writers, designers, accountants, marketers, and even project managers can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn services. Companies are hiring skilled pros by the project, and the demand is only growing. Pro tip: focus on one niche to stand out. 2. Tutoring or teaching online. Education never slows down. If you have expertise in math, English, trades, or business, you can earn steady income by teaching. Platforms like Teachable, OutSchool, and Preply make it easy to share what you know. Pro tip: short, focused courses, 30 to 60 minutes, perform better than long ones. 3. Selling digital products. Create once and sell forever. Ebooks, templates, or downloadable guides can be a powerful form of passive income. With free tools like Canva, Gumroad, or Etsy Digital, you can start with almost no upfront cost. Pro tip: career or productivity templates sell well. Tie it to your field. 4. Content creation and micro-influence. Short-form video, blogs, and newsletters are booming. If you can entertain or educate an audience, there's opportunity. Brands are paying creators for partnerships, product reviews, and sponsored mentions. Pro tip: consistency beats perfection. One useful post a week can change your income trajectory by year-end. 5. Social media or virtual assistants. Many small businesses can't afford full-time help. Offering part-time support managing posts, emails, or schedules can bring in $25 to $50 per hour. You can do it remotely and scale by taking on multiple clients. Pro tip: specialize in one niche, real estate agents, coaches, or small business owners. 6. Reselling and online flipping. Buying undervalued items and reselling them online can be surprisingly profitable. Try Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, or eBay. It's simple: buy low, clean up or repackage, and sell higher. Pro tip: focus on specific items, electronics, collectibles, or tools, so you become the go-to expert. 7. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you already use and earn a commission for every referral. You can do this through a blog, newsletter, or even your LinkedIn page. Once you set it up, it can generate income around the clock. Pro tip: only promote tools or services you truly believe in. Authenticity drives sales. 8. Renting out equipment or space. If you own something others need, from tools and cameras to parking spots or storage, you can rent it. Platforms like Fat Llama, Neighbor, and Airbnb make it easy. Pro tip: think beyond real estate. High-demand rental items can include photography gear or power tools. 9. Delivery, driving, or gig apps. All classic, but still effective. Drive with Uber or Lyft, deliver with DoorDash, or earn through Amazon Flex. Flexible, simple to start, and great for topping up your income. Pro tip: track mileage and expenses carefully. Many people forget to claim deductions. 10. AI-powered productivity and consulting. The biggest opportunity heading into 2026 is helping others use AI tools effectively. If you're good with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or automation software, you can teach others or set up simple workflows for small businesses. Pro tip: package it as a service, AI time saver setup, or ChatGPT for HR teams. Freedom. A side hustle isn't just about extra money, it's about independence and optionality. In a world of constant change, having multiple income streams gives you freedom and confidence. Some extra beer money is always nice too. Which of these would you try first? Let us know. We might feature reader stories in our next issue.